86X, Wayne Olson from Meckley, South Dakota, driving a 1974 LTD. 75, Mike Hansen from Meckley, South Dakota, 75 Oldsmobile. Number 22, Brandon Wright. He is from Jackson, Nebraska. 83, Grand Marquis. I had one of those nice cars.
Full fast.
Number 3, Chris Martin from Vermillion, South Dakota.
Not going to be much room to move in there.
Number 27,
Some of them are getting stuck. Woo!
There's Danny, number 27.
You had one of those.
The blue car.
Absolutely. Number 78.
Beautiful paint job by Tanya.
You did that?
Lettering and the number.
Nice.
Number 28, Nathan Wildemore from Parker, South Dakota.
Running, what is that, 9?
40 and number 42, Brian Goodman.
Yeah.
Vermillion, South Dakota, 91 Capri. And number 13, Kyle Brewer, 79 Saber from Vermillion. And we are about ready to go. Carl is a racing sensation. Let her buck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, Bob, here we go. It's going to be a fast track tonight. I think that's really it. Truck 27's having a hard time. Chuck, how are you on?
Come on, Danny!
Get it, Danny. Number 28, Mr. Wilbauer, is a customer.
No, Marty, that's going to get stuck one out there.
Big sucker on a job there. Looks like Big is not accepted. They're lighting up. Look out here. Number 32 in the middle is going to get tagged. Here it goes. Oh, he's up on top of it. Come on, Peter. You can run in it. Yeah, Ryan. What they call it this time. 86 is not moving either, Mark. 86 now. There's a bit of that. Yeah, Ryan picks on it. First one out. Yeah, Judy, hopefully, hold on. That's the rule, Bob. Don't get make your laugh. Right on the wheel. Put that orange in, buddy. Yeah, they get you over out there. Oh! Get off the ball. He might be stuck there. Don't fucking hang up on the bird. Can't get down.
No, he buried it.
Oh, go!
Go, Danny! Yeah.
Get out of the middle, buddy. Get out of the middle.
Reverse, reverse.
Get out of it. Get out of it. Right out of it. That car is solid, though.
Yeah, he's not
caving in.
not bending up.
That's
solid, too.
Oh, we got hit good there.
Carl Brewer hanging in there top. Get after him, Danny. You can run in if you have to. Try to start knocking him out. That wheelbarrow car, Mark, is really well built. Got the cap there from
that orange car blew up.
Brewer. Not much of an effect, either. There goes Brewer after some car ain't out or nothing, you know. Hanging in there. My head was backing up.
Get out of the center, Danny. Get out of there.
In the gate. I have to get there. Chris Mark, number 3.
Get up on.
What do we have out there, Mark?
He's rubbing.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, coming back in the corner here. Take that out. You're going to cut them wheels out, Mark. There goes 13 Brewer. Looking at Hampton.